Hey beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of beauty and skincare. Ready to unlock the secrets of beauty tools for flawless skin? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, we've got tips and tricks that cater to all skin tones. Let's dive in. First up, the Jade Roller. This ancient beauty tool has been a staple in skincare routines for centuries. This ancient tool is great for boosting circulation and reducing puffiness. It's like giving your face a gentle massage that helps to de-stress and rejuvenate your skin. Start with clean, moisturized skin. For both dark and light skin tones, gently roll up and outwards across your face. Pro tip: pop it in the fridge for a cooling effect. The coolness helps to further reduce puffiness and can be incredibly refreshing, especially in the morning. Next, let's talk about the Derma Roller. This tool might look intimidating, but it's a game changer for your skincare routine. This one's a bit advanced, but worth it. It uses tiny needles to create micro-injuries, promoting collagen production and enhancing the absorption of your skincare products. It uses tiny needles to create micro-injuries, promoting collagen production. This process can help with fine lines, acne scars, and overall skin texture. For all skin tones, roll it in a crisscross pattern, but be gentle. Overdoing it can cause irritation, so always listen to your skin. Always sterilize before and after use. This is crucial to prevent any infections or skin issues. Now meet the Gua Sha tool. This tool is not just a trend, it's rooted in traditional Chinese medicine. Similar to the Jade Roller, but with more control over pressure. It's perfect for those who want a more targeted approach to their facial massage. Use it to sculpt and tone. The Gua Sha tool can help to lift and firm your skin, giving you a more defined look. Apply your favorite serum, then sweep the Gua Sha tool along your jawline, cheekbones, and forehead. This helps the product penetrate deeper and maximizes its benefits. It's like a mini workout for your face. Regular use can lead to noticeable improvements in your skin's appearance. Ever heard of LED light therapy masks? These high-tech masks are making waves in the beauty industry. These futuristic masks target various skin concerns. They use different wavelengths of light to address specific issues. Blue light combats acne, while red light reduces wrinkles. There are also green lights for pigmentation and yellow lights for redness. Just 20 minutes a day can make a difference. Consistency is key with these masks to see the best results. Dark or light skin LED masks are a game changer. They're suitable for all skin types and tones. Let's not forget the classic facial cleansing brush. This tool is a must-have for anyone looking to up their cleansing game. Perfect for deep cleansing and gentle exfoliation. It helps to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities that your hands might miss. Pair it with a cleanser suitable for your skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, there's a cleanser out there for you. Move in circular motions to lift away dirt and oil. This technique ensures a thorough cleanse without being too harsh on your skin. Your skin will thank you. Regular use can lead to clearer, brighter skin. And finally, the Humble Facial Steamer. This tool is a fantastic way to prep your skin for deeper product penetration. Prepping your skin for deeper product penetration. The steam opens up your pores, making it easier for your skin to absorb the products you apply afterward. Steam for about 10 minutes, then follow up with a mask or serum. This routine can help to maximize the benefits of your skincare products. It's like having a spa day at home. Treat yourself to this relaxing and beneficial step in your skincare routine. Remember, beauty tools are here to enhance your routine, not replace it. Consistency is key. Incorporate these tools into your regular skincare regimen for the best results. And always listen to your skin. If something doesn't feel right, it's okay to take a step back and reassess. Got a favorite beauty tool? We'd love to hear about it. Drop it in the comments. Share your experiences and tips with our community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Stay gorgeous until next time.